I've seen this challenge on social media a whole lot. That'll be fun for us to try it. Okay, it's a taste challenge, okay?
Okay.
So on the other side of this box, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. And if you can identify what they are through taste, you'll get money assigned to it. The first one is 50.
Okay.
And then there's money all the way down. Go ahead and try number 1. Your first one on your right.
Okay, number 1.
That one is for $50.
That is Gatorade.
No, it's not Gatorade. It's actually strawberry lemonade. You could have said lemonade of any kind. And you drink lemonade all the time. I thought you would have got that.
I thought I would have too.
All right, there's $50 you did not win.
Ah.
Try number 2.
All right.
Surely this is a easy one. But it's just for $10.
I think that is just straight up non-diet Coke.
Yep, non-diet Coke. All right, you won $10. I'm gonna pull it out. So you get this $10.
Woohoo! Cash
So far, you won 10.
Okay.
All right, try the next one.
Okay. I'm good.
What do you think? I'll give you a hint. It's not milk.
It's weird.
Weird? And you drink it all the time. Not all the time, but often.
Is this one Gatorade?
It's Gatorade, yes. All right, wait. You get.
It's so much harder if you can't see it.
I know that's $100, babe.
Woo!
All right, let me. All right, try the next one. It is for $70.
$70. I'm on number 4, right?
Yes.
Oh, it's Pickle Juice.
Yes, it is Pickle Juice.
Woo!
I had to throw a curveball in there for you. I know you don't like Pickle Juice. You want another try? You want to sip it again?
No, that's okay.
You did get $70. Look at that.
Yay!
The next one is for $100. And I don't know if you can see the money or not.
Oh, I can see the money when I look over, but I can't see the drinks.
Okay, all right. Well, this is for $100.
Oh. Oh,
What is it?
it's A1.
Yes, it's A1.
Oh.
The nectars of the gods.
Oh.
You're welcome.
Like every taste bud is lighting up.
That is great. Isn't that great? A1. You gotta love A1.
How much money?
You want $100 for A1.
Woohoo!
Now this next one is the biggest dollar one yet. Okay?
Okay.
You get $150. We got 350s laying here.
I'm a little afraid.
It's $150 if you can identify it.
Okay. Oh. 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 Oh.
What do you think it is?
That's hot sauce. Oh.
It's hot sauce. You won $150.
Yay.
Have you ever drank hot sauce?
No.
Never?
No, I don't even like hot sauce.
You don't take a A1 with a hot sauce backer?
No.
All right, last one. Wait a minute. Let's see. You got the 150.
Wait, point me out to the Gatorade again.
Right, here's Gatorade. Perfect. Go back to your tried and true.
Oh,
All right, so far you got 10. You got them all except for one.
I can't believe I didn't.
So
well,
what?
I haven't tried that yet.
No, you drink it. It's good. It's lemonade. Pink lemonade. Right. There's 100.
My mouth's on fire.
10. There's another 70. It's 180. 280. And another 150. You're up there.
This is all mine, right? You're not going to borrow it back, are you?
It's your money, babe. This next one is for $100.
Okay.
What's wrong?
A little nervous after the hot sauce. I have to be honest.
Kind of like a thick milkshake. You have to work it a little bit.
Oh! Oh!
What is it? What is it?
It's mayonnaise.
Yeah, mayonnaise.
Oh.
Another $100. Here you go, folks. How you think she did? I'm impressed. I really am impressed that I'm not getting hit right now, or she's not.
This is helping.
I'm impressed that I'm not in the doghouse because she's a champ.
Emma's on, here I come.
No kidding.